Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving an update on my parrotfish eggs. So in this is our sobo 3 feet tank. Okay, so there are 9 parrots, and you can see there is an egg inside this pot. So their parents are on duty, so they're 24/7 they are here. Mother is inside and the father is out, so they swap their role, and they guard their eggs. And you can see they are like half aquarium they have taken over, and their buddies are on the other side. So even this parrots are not disturbing the this parrots. They're not even going that side, but these two are 24/7 guarding their eggs, and they're trying to make fertile and get their baby parrot fishes out. But I have heard the sad thing, this hybrid parrot fishes cannot hatch their eggs. It's very rarely that happens. One fertile male can do that, they say. We did speak so many people who have parenting parrot fishes. Few say they can do, few say they can't do. So but we are trying help this parrots. If they do it, even we are watching out. So 5th or 6th day it will turn into a white color, and if that happens we have to clean the aquarium, because that will increase ammonia in the water and it will affect other fishes, they say. So we are just seeing if it hatches good. If it does not, we should clean the aquarium and make other fishes not to they should not get affected. So you can see, right, this male fish is literally chasing out every fish. It's not even allowing any of the other parrot buddy to come near to the pot. So let's hope, finger cross, hopefully they would do it this time. Yeah, if not, we have to clean up and see what best we can do for the next. So you can see that this parrots, the other parrots, are a little darker orangish color, but these two, the parents, are in pale color. So I'm not sure, is it because of the parenting or some reason. If anybody in your home this you have seen something like this, you know the reason, comment me and let me know. Or if you are successfully hatched parrot fishes, let me also know. We can help them. If we can do something fertiling this eggs and get the baby from them, so at least I feel really surprised. Actually, this is the first time I'm watching fish parenting. So I always thinking humans and pets like dogs, cats has that feeling of parenting, but this surprised me. I was literally surprised the way he's guarding. Look at this. They literally fight. It is so far, but still it's alert and taking care of its eggs. Oh God. So I really, mother nature surprised us how this mother feeling is there in this fish. So parents are parents, right? Whatever your living being, even it's a plant, animal, this feeling automatically gets them on duty to take care of their kids. So it surprised me and I'm so happy. Let's see what we can do for this. Finger cross, and we'll wait. I will also give an update what it is going to be, and how anything that we could successfully hatch, will let you know. So once the mother is out, male tries to get into the pot. They say it is the one which has to fertile the eggs. So I am watching from almost 10 minutes. It's trying to get in, but it's not going inside and doing anything. So let's see. I'll give an update in my future video. If you like anything, like, share and subscribe, and please suggest me if there is something that you have tried and it is successful. Comment me and let me know. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.